Hello guys, so good news para sa mga may experience sa Chinese restaurant. Kakausap ko lang ngayon sa isang recruiter doon sa UK. Chance nyo na para pamate. Listen, so she told me she's looking for one senior CDP, preferably have Chinese experience. They will be opening by March doon sa UK. At isa siyang magandang company actually. A very good company. So, kung gusto nyong mag-apply, isend nyo yung CV nyo o resume sa akin. Pero dapat willing ka mag-take IELTS kasi required sa UK mag-take ng IELTS. So, senior CDP, preferably have Chinese experience, willing to take IELTS. Bound to Yokoy. So, it's an opportunity. Have a very good offer.